floating. Nice floating vise. Look at that bucks are out. Tools. Look at the hats. Oh, that's either planter or something. That's nice. Heater. Oh yeah, one. These for tires. Yeah. Oh, that's a tack box. Some bobs. Little box. Matchbox. The decals. A bunch of buttons. Decals. The patches. What's that number for? Mazda 1880. Policeman hat, kids hat. Keys. Heater. Spigot. Tools. Few things here today. Motors. Huh. Budweiser. What year that is. Check this out, Bell helmet. Got the hood on it. Isn't that cool? Pump.
Yeah.
Grease can.
Yeah.
bike seats, pedals, and setting up. Earnhardt. Bill Lighters. Band-Aids. Grog. Fire bottles. Get that out. That's crazy. Things are old, buddy. Broke. They're broke. Some cool stuff here. Barbecue grill. A lot of cool stuff here today.
I guess.
Crazy. Up there. These little body work tools. Out. Here's that. Valve grinder. How old that is. There's cool stuff here. Check this out. There's in a box. Glass lids. Sure, let's put one in that. Let's see. Oh yeah. Check that out. Oil bottle. Is that crazy? Another one. Whoa. Manufacturing Co. Old Sinclair can. Is that cool?
But I want to show you some of the things I got from this sale here. First thing I want to show you is this Bose Steel Fast Tire Service. Real cool piece of advertising. It's got the original patches in there. Pretty neat. I don't know what this is worth. You know, I'll just keep this. It went for $75. Just a really, you don't see a lot of this stuff anymore, you know. Got some of the directions on the back there. But really neat old piece of advertising. Then also, they had this in a box. It's an old insect sprayer. It says Sinclair Refining Company. Ain't that cool? A square can there. Pump it up, spray your mosquitoes or whatever. Old wooden handle. That was in a flat with some other stuff. I think I paid like $22.50. Here's another thing that was in there. Picnic Pal holds fruit jars. Little like a cooler or something, keeping your stuff cold. Neat old with original paint on it. This was $37.50 for the toolbox. I wish I could get out and show you what's in it. It's got a lot of old plumb bobs. I haven't even really gone through a lot of this. I got maybe $502 or something, everything I bought. Here's another flat I got. I think this maybe went $15. It's got the old reflectors in there. Looks like it came off a school bus maybe. Some of these can be pretty valuable. Here's another one, probably one on the side. Looks like from a really old bus or something. Here's a neat thing here. Probably not worth very much. Old AC oil filter. Things have changed quite a bit. Got the original box there for it. Kind of cool, some of the old parts, you know. I'm sure that's not worth a whole lot. Next up, here's another piece here. I actually bought a couple of these cans. This one's got the original for Texaco Oiler. It's got the original holder for it. Usually you don't see this too often. If I can get her open here. Check that out. There's the home oiler can for Texaco. I don't think these are worth a whole lot. Here's something cool here. This only went for $2.50 for the box with these in it. They're the tubular grenade for fire extinguisher. I think that's what that is. See, the tops are all broken on them. I just thought the bottles were kind of cool. Maybe somebody collects that. Don't know how rare these are. It's a Star. There's a couple of them. Again, I haven't even gone through this stuff. Be careful, I'll break it a little more. The Harden tubular grenade. Imagine having a fire and have to throw some of them at it. Oh my God. There's no flashlight there. Check that out. That thing's ancient. It's like, oh, there it is. It says it's missing the back bulb right there. She goes. Kind of cool little flashlight. All metal. Little light bulb. What's that say on it? Light bulb from State or Tennessee TV. It works, it says. Huh. These are becoming pretty rare, you know, these old grease cans, because they're mainly just thrown away. This one's got a little bit of damage to the bottom there, starting to rust through a little bit, but had a lot of paint on it, and I tried cleaning a lot of it off. A lot of overspray, but just neat with the dinosaur. This was $75. I didn't even want to come close to it. I thought maybe I'd get it for $5 or something, but that just doesn't happen at auctions anymore. But I just thought it was a really neat piece of advertising, and so I went the extra mile and got it. I'll probably just keep this. So I'm not going to try to resell that. You can see the snow here. There says Bow Manufacturing Co. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Nice old oil bottles. You don't see much of that stuff anymore. And I got a bunch of mason jars. Even got a couple lids for the bottles. That says Master or something on it. You don't see a lot of this anymore. I got several of these, but this is for Ball. Ball Ideal glass lids. This goes way back. I'm not sure what color lids were in here, but they got the blue and the white. Ain't that crazy? Went to the store and got these, and they were glass. Imagine what them would cost you right now. Oh my God, that box right there would probably be, oh my God, $40. I don't know. 2 years ago, it was like $1.79 for a pack of the seal lids, the metal ones that go on top of the fruit jar. $1.79. I went to the store the other day to get some, $3.49. Just craziness. Doubled the price, you know, within a couple years. But yeah, I couldn't imagine what the heck it would cost you for some of this stuff today. You know, I was like, oh my God. So thanks for stopping by.